Hello everyone. Isn't it amazing? Look, it's a little bit darker already because it's very close to night. But this is Natur Park in Austria. If you will go with bicycle or with a car, but certainly if you go with bicycle or if you will walk, this is amazing view. Really, I don't know, at least for me, I'm really enjoying just the view. And like I said, just the view. Here is the place to sit down and eat something like I did. Behind it's like a walkway, so if you like walking you can go here. You have some food and really anyway, Natur Park Austria. I will give you more information about the Natur Park in the description, and if ever would like to visit it and being a little bit alone, connected with nature, this is certainly the place to be. Have a great time, and if you like to have more information about everything, just subscribe it. Enjoy. Goodbye. Love you. God.